The 7 best websites to sell your photos. Hi guys, very welcome back to the channel. If you're a photographer or a person who owns beautiful stock images, or even someone who's even part-time or a amateur photographer, then you can make money online by selling photos at the following websites. This video, guys, is in a series of online money making ideas that you'll see a lot of these on the channel here, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You know the score at this stage. So the first site we're going to talk about is Shutterstock. Shutterstock is one of the biggest stock asset portfolio sites out there. I use them quite a bit for some of the videos we're making. You can buy stock footage, you can buy stock images, there's music, there's other tools there. So if you head over to Shutterstock.com, you can see down here, you can find a plan. This is paid, but there's royalty free stock images, photos, videos, and more for your creative projects. So you can see the website here, it's nice and neat, some good images there. So what you're looking for here is you're going to sell your content. So you click in on to sell content. Give it a minute here. You can probably hear my computer churning away there. It's on its last legs. Share your work and start earning. Join Shutterstock's global community of contributors and earn money doing what you love. So become a contributor. You can create, submit, you get paid, or you can refer. More than 500 million paid out. Join our global community, easy to use tools, view our resources, global marketplace, etc. So if you like taking photos and you have a lot of different types of photos, head over to Shutterstock.com, head over to sell your content, get started, sign up. It'll only take you 2 minutes to sign up, and get going with selling photos. What I would say to you is, like I say in a lot of these videos, I'm going to show you 7 different sites here. The best thing to do is not rely on one, but use them all. Use all the sites that you can. Now on some of these sites, you're going to have to sign a waiver, basically saying that if you sell your stock photos to Shutterstock, it might be a case that you won't be able to sell the same photos. They'll own the rights to those photos on other sites, but that might not always be the case. But just be aware of that before you go on. So the next site we're going to talk to is a site, PhotoLamour. You can see it here. It's photolamour.com. No time to edit. PhotoLamour will do it automatically for you. So if you head over to that site, you can see there's the same kind of idea as Shutterstock. It's probably not as well known as Shutterstock, which if you scroll down through the site, you can see it here. Inspiration from our users. And you can buy it there now. But what you want to do is to scroll back up to the top, and what you want to do is log in here, go down to support, business and partnerships. This computer's a bit slow, as I said, guys. Then we go to photo contests and take, make, win. So here's where you go. It's time to get out there with your camera and your creativity to capture the world. So what you do is basically it's a contest. So it's open for entries. You submit your photos. 16 days left. There's a grand prize is there. So again, it'll only take you 5-10 minutes to upload your entries to this, and they have ongoing competitions, all that good stuff. If we actually go back to the site, guys, they'll use your photos then for their service. Computer's seriously slow today. There we go. So if you just go into PhotoLamour here and go back to the pricing, you can see what kind of pricing they're offering if you want to buy the service. So you can see it here: upgrade, family license, single license. But PhotoLamour, go into the support section, go into the competition section, and submit your photos there and get paid for them. So that's that one. The next site we want to talk about is IStock. So just go over to IStockPhoto.com. You see the website here. Scroll down there, you can have a look. It's the same again, the same as Shutterstock and PhotoLamour. you can go down here, you can sell stock. Down to the very bottom. And as I was saying, guys, you want to be submitting your photos. You want to be submitting your photos to as many of these sites as you can. So this is IStock.com. Head over to that, or IStockimages.com. Head over to that site. Check it out. And the next site we're going to talk to is a biggie, Adobe. So head over to adobe.com. You can see the site here. It's pretty big. It's a pretty big site. Just go over to adobe.com to do creativity and design, marketing and commerce, PDF and e-signatures, business solutions support. So if you go into creativity and design, go down to Adobe Stock, and you can go to sell. Go to sell your images. Just give it a second here to load up. Turn your passion into earnings. Sell your content to the world's largest creative community. Reach millions of buyers. Upload with ease. Watch your sales grow. So if you were using, what I would suggest is, if you're starting out, is to use Shutterstock and also Adobe Stock to get yourself going with this. The next site we're going to talk to is Deposit Photos. That's DepositPhotoscom. Head over there. You can see the website here. It's pretty smooth, very pink for some reason today. But this is DepositPhotoscom. If we scroll back up to the top here, you can see they have live chat and our plans and prices, photos, vectors, editorial, and videos. But scroll down to the bottom. What we're looking for is become a contributor and sell stock photos right underneath it. So just giving your details there. Just go back to sell stock photos. Oh, it's going to jump around a bit there. 1 second. Sell stock photos. Here we go. Not the smoothest video I've ever made, guys. I won't lie to you, but hopefully you're getting some decent information. I'm no Steven Spielberg, that's for sure. Sell photos online. Let's work together. It's very easy to start working with our website. Terms and conditions, file requirements, all that good stuff. Different levels. And then just click become a contributor. So fill out that form. It won't take you too long. But again, that's depositphotos.com. It's another good one. The next one we have will be Getty Images. In Getty Images, we kind of touched on it already, but here we go. It's another huge site, moving the world with images. If you scroll down to the site, you'll see a lot of people images. Scroll down, the site is pretty smooth. Images are jumping out there, all that good stuff. But if you go back up to the top, what we're looking for is we can go into browse. Also you have pricing there, boards, basket, sign in. So Getty Images is huge. It's a huge site. It has recently purchased a couple of other stock photography sites like iStock and PhotoStock, I think, as well. So just head over to Getty Images. Again, it's the same kind of setup. Scroll down to the very bottom, fill out the form to contribute and get paid if they want to use your images. So that's Getty Images. And the last one we want to talk about is an old reliable, Etsy. So just head over to Etsy.com. Go up to seller. You can see that on Etsy they sell everything: jewelry, accessories, clothing, home and living, wedding and party, toys, entertainment, arts and collectibles, including photography, what you're interested in, craft supplies, and vintage. So just go into, you can see their home site here, see what they've got going on. Etsy it's an old reliable at this stage now. It's more so for crafts and good stuff like that. It's kind of like eBay for crafts or Amazon for crafts, but it's very good. Arts and crafts, I suppose. Just go to sell on Etsy. It'll ask you to open up a store, open your own Etsy shop. That's what you do. Get going with that. So it's another way of selling online, basically. Great value, powerful tools, support and education. And there's a bundle of Etsy videos online. You can check them out. So look, if photography is your thing, again, it's just another facet and maybe another string to your bow if you're looking to make money online. I hope you found the video helpful, guys. And if you've used any of these sites, just let me know. in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you're interested in an additional online income, we have tons of other videos. Just check them out there. I also have a free freelancing training. If you're looking to use any, looking to get into freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork or Freelance or any of those sites, check out that free training. Just a couple of hours of training there, all for free. So if this video helps one person, I'll be happy, guys. I'll leave a couple of other videos here, and you can click on them. I think you'll enjoy them. Don't forget there's other videos as well down in the description below. And until next time, guys, I hope you found this one helpful. The 7 best websites to sell your photos. Until next time, take care.